Super cute, super pretty.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha. For those who are new, go ahead and subscribe because, like, why not? What are we doing? What are we doing here? So today I'm going to be talking about my summer must-haves, specifically my hair and makeup, because this is my bread and butter, baby. Okay, and I need to stay intact all year round, and especially when the sun's trying to take me out. Okay, so I have a new do. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sending over this wig. It is fire. The color is phenomenal for the summer. I'm feeling the lighter hair colors for the summer. Of course, I'm going to put you guys on to some fire makeup products. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys are again subscribed, liking this video, and keep watching. All right guys, so we're going to start with the hair. Obviously I always start with my hair because it kind of is the base for everything. So the first thing you're going to need for the summer is a good wig, and I'm going to explain more. Well, I show you my wig from RPGSHOW. They sent me over a wig. Thank goodness. I love RPGSHOW wigs. They're literally the best wigs ever, and they're actually having their 19th anniversary coming up, which means they're going to be having a huge sale, and I think now's the best time to invest in one of these wigs. I've been telling you guys for years to just invest into the wigs. You guys have never seen a bad RPGSHOW wig on me. Some of the wigs may have been questionable, but these held up, and they also just always looked the best in my opinion. So this is pre-colored. It's like this cherry cola. This is kind of the color that I'm going for the summer. I'm gonna be leaning a little bit more towards brown, but like this is like that perfect balance, because y'all know how I feel about red hair. I like a subtle, you know what I'm saying, nice and subtle. So I did wash it and stuff off camera. It's air dried, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This particular wig is Glueless, which is one of their newer constructed caps, which I like, and again, it's perfect for the summer. You don't have to deal with all the fuss and muss. It just goes on and that's it. And the great thing about these is that it has the little drawstring in the back, which I like a lot more than the comb, because baby, the comb be too much tension, too much. I don't want alopecia in the back. Okay, I didn't do any plucking because I just wanted to see what the wig was giving, and truth be told, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. This color on me, chef's kiss. In my opinion, all you need is a good lace spray for your installs. I feel like glue gets so I personally feel like in the summer glue gets too gummy and too tacky with the heat and the sweat in the summer, so I would use a spray as an alternative. I promise you, your installs are going to look so much better throughout the warmer months if you decide to wear wigs. One of the things I love about the glueless construction is that you don't have to cut anything around the ears. It's already like, it fits perfect like a glove. So love that. I'm honestly feeling a middle part today. We're going to see. Decided on a middle part. I have not worn a middle part in a minute. And this hair, I don't even want to layer it. It looks so good as is, but like I want to add curls at the same time. What is a girl to do? I think that everybody should invest into a good wig for the summer, aka RPGSHOW, because you're able to switch up your hair and also give your hair a break in between installs. I literally just washed out a quick weave, and for the next week I'm gonna kind of be treating my hair. So like every night I'm gonna be doing like my protein treatments, any kind of mask, add hydration oil, and kind of bring my hair back to life before doing the next install. And I'm still able to walk around looking fly without anybody knowing that I'm in between hairstyles because I have on a bomb wig. I made a promise to myself that when I step out, I'm gonna look decent, meaning my hair is gonna be done, or I'm gonna have on a put together outfit. Like, I'm too old to be walking out the house looking crazy. Not that every day is gonna be a great day, but like also the smallest things can make a huge difference overall. Like if my hair is done, and even if I have on kind of like a bummy outfit, I look good. You get what I'm saying? So I just have been like really focused on my hair. That's the least I could do. I don't do the makeup every day. I could put on a two-piece outfit every day. Like, it's just little things that just honestly make you feel better. And yeah, just kind of elevate the vibe. This is what 99J is supposed to be, and they be handing out burgundy. No, this is 99J babes. This is it. Slight, light, but there. I haven't even cut the lace. This is crazy. Cut that and just kind of make it jagged. Y'all, I definitely have plans of doing a get ready with me today, but it's literally like pouring outside. And to be honest, I've gotten rid of most of my clothes, so y'all. And also the hair is like two shades. Like underneath it's like this lighter reddish orange, super cute. But I don't want to cut this hair too much. I want to do like my beach waves, so I'm just gonna slightly layer the front. Ow. What? Natasha not chopping up her wigs? Recession indicator. Just to kind of frame that. And we're literally just like layering the front of the hair. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you guys see the color like peeking through the lather? Yes. Perfect. Look at that. Look at me with the face framing. Yes. Listen, we're gonna have to take it back with this one just a little bit. The next thing you're gonna need for the summer, if you plan on wearing curls, is some Pump It Up spray. I recently used this on my last install. When I tell you my curls have been in place, I've been outside every day, I've been sweating, my hair's been up, it's been down, curls are staying in place. So I feel like for the summer, this is a good alternative. You have to use it very sparingly though. Make sure you're actually holding it far away from the hair when you spray and not like drowning your hair in it, because you just want it to kind of freeze that curl into place and then comb it out. So I don't experience any crunchiness on my hair, nothing like that, but my curls stay and I like that. So I'm gonna curl my hair. We're gonna speed through this. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna do just regular curls because I want my hair to be like a body curl. I don't want beach wave curls today, maybe tomorrow. But I'm just gonna curl it regularly. And yeah, I'm not gonna pin curl it or anything because I want it to drop nice and flow.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. So I'm gonna take a shot on 3. So them drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. So I'm gonna take a shot on 3. So them drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go take a.
So now I'm gonna comb. Look how juicy the hair is. Oh my gosh. Oh my. When I tell you quality, RPGSHOW gonna do it every time. Every time. You see how the curls bounce back like they're supposed to? It didn't just like drop. It did. Yeah. I'm gonna put this melting spray on and I'm gonna put it on my finger because the way it sprays out can get kind of messy. So I'm gonna just put that on the lace and then put my elastic band on. And we're gonna get into this face. Two things. You have your holding spray, which is gonna keep the wig in place, and then you have the melting spray, which really like melts that lace in and makes it look invisible. It doesn't have that white cast. All right, it's makeup time, and these are the things that you are gonna need to keep your face nice and intact all summer long. Brow gel is essential for me. I cannot go without the brow gel. I've been liking the L'Oreal brow lamination gel because it's truly clear. It doesn't flake up or have any type of residue. So it's really nice if you just want to do your brows and don't want to wear any other makeup, or if you have a hard time with other brow gels flaking up. This one is a good one and it keeps everything just in place. I always start with my brow gel because by the time I go back to my brows and fill them in, the gel will be dried and it won't like be moving and stuff. So next, sunscreen. Better yet, a sunscreen and moisturizer in one. You should be using sunscreen all year round. However, I'm going to emphasize using sunscreen this summer. This is the Fenty Skin one. I really like it. It has an SPF of 50. But it's really nice. It's good by itself and it's good under makeup as well. I'm also going to go in with the Maybelline Jelly Poreless Primer. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of my e.l.f. Poreless Putty, but like hydrating. And I like that. Priming is always necessary, but it's very necessary in the summer, especially if you're going to be outside a lot, if you're going to be putting on glasses, going in water, all those things. You want everything to stay put. Even though I want my makeup to stay in place, for some reason I don't gravitate towards super mattifying products. I just feel like it's just too heavy and cakey, especially in the warmer months. So I gravitate towards something more on the grippy side, something more long wear, not necessarily matte. There's a difference. So just kind of read your products and see what you like. But I'm going to be using the Kylie Skin Tint and the Maybelline Grippy primer, and I'm actually going to mix it. So you don't have to mix it. If you don't want to do that, don't do that. But I put the foundation on the back of my hand, and then I do a drop of this. Sometimes a whole drop of this is too much, like half is fine. And then I'm going to mix it up, and we've created a long-lasting, we've created a long-lasting foundation. Like if your foundation is already long-lasting, add this step and you'll see a difference. I got this tip from Kenya on TikTok, and I've been using it ever since. I noticed that my makeup wears really well with it. Honestly, this is one of the best grippy primers in my opinion, and I've tried a few. This is just a really good one. It's more on the serumy side, and it has niacinamide in it, so it's just really nice. I was wearing it underneath the foundation at first, and then I started mixing it. But you don't have to get this grippy primer. You can use the Milk, you can use e.l.f., you can use Urban Decay, you can use every brand. I feel like has a grippy primer at this point. It's all the same concept, but yeah. A grippy type of primer is the safest primer to mix with most foundations, because it's not really gonna like separate or do anything weird. If you use other things, it may do that, so just keep that in mind. I'm just adding more to my problem areas. And also keep in mind, if you do this technique, it will sheer your foundation out or skin tint or whatever you use. Don't know why, it just does, but it doesn't bother me. I used the Fenty concealer in my full face of Fenty the other day, and I fell in love with this concealer again. I'm like, wow, I will never neglect you. I'm so sorry. This concealer is really good. It wears really well in my opinion because it is on the thinner side. It just wears well. I feel like a lot of times where people mess up with like summery makeup is going too heavy and using thick products, and the thinner the better. It's gonna wear better. If you have sweat coming through and you're in different climates, you want it to mimic second skin. So you don't want to put a whole new layer on your face. You literally want to just have like something light. You get what I'm saying? This is the e.l.f. liquid contour and bronzer. So good, and again, it wears beautifully. And literally, you guys, it does not feel like I have anything on my face but skincare. And I know it seems like I've probably done a lot, and like low-key I have, but it doesn't feel like it, and that's all that matters. Like my face literally feels so airy. I love that. And I'm gonna set that. This is the Dion Cosmetics powder. And then I take a powder foundation and lock in the rest of my face, because again, the goal is longevity. And of course you need bronzer. This is the NYX Buttermelt. This is my jam. And you guys, I did my face the other day and I accidentally didn't put on blush, and I liked my face a lot more. I know it's like, oh, it's summertime, put on blush, but I don't know, it was hitting without the blush. So we'll see at the end if I put on blush, but we're gonna skip that for now. And I'm gonna put bronzer. You should see my vanity, it looks crazy. I'm gonna put bronzer all over my lid because y'all know that's my go-to, and I have more fun looks coming for you anyways. And if you want to see more fun looks, like head over to TikTok. That's where I do like all my random looks, because I'm learning like the looks are enough to put on TikTok. They're not always, a whole video is not always necessary. So if you want to see the fun, the shimmer, the glitter, the color, head over to TikTok, okay? And I like to put the bronzer underneath my lash line too, because it just kind of completes the look. I used to just do it on top, but now putting it all around does a thing. I'm gonna put this Buttermelt blush on in Feel Butter. It's like a brown shimmery blush, and that's gonna just add some dimension to the face, but not actually be blush, you know, but it does have a flush of color. Like, you see that? Yeah. And of course, a setting spray. I'm using the NARS Light Reflecting. Y'all, I feel like this setting spray is kind of underrated, but every time I wear this, my makeup is locked in, stays in place, doesn't go anywhere. So do what you want with that information. But yeah, I don't even remember filling in my brows. That's crazy. And just a mascara. Fenty mascara. Super cute, super pretty. This part is optional, but I like to take a setting powder and put underneath my eyes, you know, in case you wear glasses or anything like that. And a lot of times we touch our eye area and don't notice. So just adding that extra layer of powder helps a lot. And I suggest adding the powder after you spray your face. This is the Jaclyn Hill one. It's discontinued, but use any like lighter powder that you have just to set that under eye area. This is Maybelline Cross the Line lip liner. This lip liner is so good and it's really smooth too, but once it dries down, it stays in place. So I love that because I hate when the lip liner starts moving everywhere. I don't have time for that. And then I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. It's a nice nude. And I really like these because they're easy to throw in your purse and they're affordable. So, you know, if you do happen to misplace it, easy to replace. It won't hurt as much. I don't know why people lose their lip glosses like that. Like, I have never not come home, knock on wood. I don't have wood in here. Oh my gosh. I have never not come home without my lip gloss or liner. So I don't know what that's about, but I know it's common. So if you're worried about that, I would definitely check out the Maybelline Lifter. It's a great formula. They're really nice and they're affordable. I love this color. It's like the perfect nude, but it got pink and peach in it at the same time. It's perfect. Are we seeing like the no blush vibe? Are we getting into it? Yeah. All right, so this is the completed look, you guys. Let's get into the hair again. Like, first of all, this looks so good. And mind you, I did not pluck or bleach anything. All I did was cut the lace and style, and it looks really, really good. So I'm very pleased and I love the color. I love, this is making me so much more excited to dye my hair soon. Like, it's so fire. And you guys see how like underneath, hold on. You guys see how underneath it's like a little lighter? I really do like that. It gives it like a little peekaboo. And let's get into the makeup. Blush or no blush moving forward? I'm feeling like the no blush is like a moment. It makes me look so much more brown, so much more bronze. I love it. I'm like fiending for a tan, you guys. Like by the end of the summer, I will be at least 10 shades darker. I'm hoping. I need it. I need it. So those are my summer must-haves for my hair and my makeup to stay flat. Everything else will come together. But if the hair and the face is right, you're good to go. So comment down below what your must-haves are for the summer, or if you guys have any hacks to surviving the summer. Let the girls know. Okay, we're all friends in this comment section again. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out the description box. Everything will be linked and listed down below just for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby, where would I be without your love inside me? Oh, baby, where would